The West Indies, the travel brochures tell one, are gay, sunlit islands, a tourist's paradise. The West Indian who works in the sugar plantations for a few shillings a day thinks differently. True, his music is gay and his homeland sunny. But hundreds of his friends have no work, and there is no dole. Many years ago, Lloyd George referred to the islands as the slums of the empire. The ramshackle, overcrowded houses tell why. In the markets, there is food for those who can afford it. For those who cannot, Britain seems to provide an answer. Eagerly, they borrow their £80 fare.
Briefcase, not briefcase!
London, this lovely city. You can go to France or America, India, Asia, or Australia. Come back to London City.
Yes, Sarah!
You live in London, you are very comfortable. Because the English people are very much sociable. They take you here and they take you there, and they make you feel like a millionaire. So London, that's the place for me.
So your name? So your name? Asia?
Yeah.
So Kasperwick?
Kasper.
Where do you come from, sir?
Could you just wait 1 minute? Could you step back from the queue for a second? Good morning.
Good morning.
May I take your name, please?
Zainab Khalid.
And may I ask where you are travelling to today?
England.
England. And what boat do you want to go on?
The ship.
This is a ticket to the Empire Windrush. Is that the boat that you intended to travel on?
Yes.
And what are you going to do when you get to England? Do you have a job already?
Yeah.
Fantastic. May I have 500 Jamaican dollars, please? Wonderful. Safe journey. Enjoy your new life. Next. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
May I take your name, please? Celine what?
Duncan.
Celine Duncan. And how are you feeling this morning? How are you feeling about your journey to your new life, Miss Duncan?
Happy.
You're happy about it. Do you have 500 Jamaican dollars for me, please? Perfect. That's the exact amount. Your ticket is ticket number 27.
Next.
Enjoy your new life.
Jakie masz nazwisko? No to musisz, no to jaka jest pierwsza litera? B. To przespeluj.
B. B of I. K. Sorry, but I'm going to have to send you to the back of the queue until you have some money. 500 Jamaican dollars is the price. Next! Name, please. And play.
Your name. Handsome boy in the bell.
Good morning, sir. How are you today? Or you will have to stay in Jamaica. Got your case? That will be checked at the passport control for you, sir. Okay? Safe journey. Enjoy your new life. Good, sir. We have the Empire Windrush. Is that the one you're going on? Then you are in the right queue. May I relieve you of your 500 Jamaican dollars? what do you think you will do when you get to England? Will you work? Have you got a job to go to? And your name? Abdi what? Okay. Thank you very much. You will of course have to go to passport control. Thank you so much. Enjoy your new life. Good morning, sir. Next. Good morning, madam. Can I have your name, please? Denise. Do you have 500 Jamaican dollars for me, please? Very pleasant transaction. Do enjoy your journey. Good morning to you. Sarah, do you have 500 Jamaican dollars to pay for your ticket, please? What's that? Young lady. 500. That is the exact requirement. Would you like some help, young lady? Yes, that's all. Price of the ticket is 500 Jamaican dollars. I know you're going to make lots of money.
Yeah.
More money than in Jamaica? Loads of money. Okay. Well, could I relieve you of some of your money? Thank you very much. 500 Jamaican dollars. That's perfect. Okay. Best of British luck to you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your journey.
Thank you.
Check your name on the list. Are you passenger 24732 Greece D?
Yes.
Are you Asia Pascal?
Yes.
Do you come from the Caribbean?
Yes.
Good. Let me check your list. Are you passenger number 24635?
Yes.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Let's
Keep
go,
this.
Asia.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Next, please. Passenger 24661. Austriana Jasmina. Yes? Sir, are you in good health, sir? Do you have family, sir? Thank you. Will they be joining you later on, sir? Thank you. Could I have your immigration card, sir? Thank you. Thank you. You are now British citizens, sir. Welcome to Britain. Have a safe voyage. Next. Are you passenger 24654 Javid Mia? Where do you come from, sir? Is it hot in Jamaica, sir?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Britain is very cold, but you will be happy there. Could I have your immigration card, sir? How much did you pay for your ticket? $500 Jamaican dollars? Did you steal this money, sir? Did you work hard for this money, sir?
For me to give you a ticket.
Can you read? We've been working as a nurse, madam.
Right here, please. Right here.
Next, please. Are you passenger 24739 Claudia? Have you got your ticket, madam? Did you pay for your ticket, madam? Immigration card, madam? Safe journey, goodbye. Are you married, madam? Do you have children? No. Will you be having children in Britain, madam? You will be a nurse in a hospital in Sheffield. Ticket, please. Thank you. ID card, please. Immigration card, please. Thank you, sir. Your immigration card, madam, please. Next, please. Next, please. Are you passenger number 35?
Yes.
What is your name, sir?
Manage.
Are you sure, sir?
Sure.
Have you paid for your ticket, sir?
Yes.
Did you steal the money, sir?
No.
Did you work for your money, sir?
I'm not sure.
Right. Are you a good worker, sir?
Yeah.
Are you healthy, sir?
Yeah.
Do you have a family, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Immigration card, sir. Next, please.
You can go to France or America, India, Asia or Australia, but you must come back to London City. Live in London, you are really comfortable, because the English people are very much sociable. They take you here and they take you there, and they make you feel like a millionaire. So London, that's the place for me. Yes, I cannot complain of the time I have spent. I mean, my life in London is really magnificent. I have every comfort and every sport, and my residence is at Hampton Court. So London, that's the place for me.
A pathetic sight. Yet they ask no pity from us, only that we respect that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Does the answer to these Britishers' problems lie in Britain or in the West Indies? And yet perhaps, if we dig deep enough, we may find the solution hidden within the conscience of us all.